Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. This is an 888 lots box. I spent $99 on it. I bought it in a lot of 4, so just this single box, if you divide it out by 4, cost me $99, and that includes shipping. This box is a home box, so we're going to have a lot of home decor type items in it, which are some of my favorite ones to open. This is also in brand new condition, so we'll see, is it really in brand new condition? And is it stuff that you actually want to buy? Make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video because I do all of the pricing of each item that I pull out of the box so you know what I intend to sell it for.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so let's dive on inside and see what we got. These are great boxes to buy if you don't have a ton of space, because not everything is going to be huge. All right, so I'm going to move this box to the side so I have room to lay some things out. So very, very full. This is not a set. It says set of 4 pieces, 13 by 9 inches, quilted placemat holly red Christmas. So let's just go ahead and peek and see what those look like. Looks like there's a oh, this one's already opened actually, and this has the exact same label on it. So let's just open up this one. Oh, these are cute. Nice and quilted, so they're kind of double-sided. You got the plaid on one side, and it looks like it's a set of 4 in each bag. So we've got 2 of those so far. Kind of wrong time of the year, but if you haven't put your Christmas stuff up yet or want these for next year, this would be a good buy right now.
So it's a good St. Patrick's Day.
Oh yeah, you could do St. Patrick's Day with this side. That would be perfect. So there you go. Very versatile. So we've got those there. And we've got some Santa hats in here, individually wrapped. A couple of Santa hats. We've got a whole pack of thread for sewing. What is this? Diamond Design Body Glow-in-the-Dark Paint Kit.
Cool.
It's got, oh, look at all the pictures, or all the colors that are in it. Brightest glow under black light, guaranteed. Ideal for clubbing, festivals, or anywhere with UV lighting. Just set up a UV light, buy a UV light bulb, put it in your house, and go bonkers.
Cool.
There you go. It's really neat. All right, then we've got a queen-sized, what is this? Is this just a sheet? Ideal linen bed sheet set. So it looks like it's got 4 pieces. So it's got the 2 pillowcases, the flat sheet, and the fitted sheet. So, and it has, I'm trying to see if it says how many, 1800 double brush microfiber bedding. 1800 count double brush microfiber bedding. Queen size set. Then we've got gift bags, 2 packs of these gift bags. It's got all different sizes in it. Oh yeah, these are perfect Easter bags. Birthday bags, Easter bags. Okay, this looks like it's more, yep, 4 pieces of the holly red Christmas quilted placemats. Yep, you can even see through that little hole, it's the same style. Got a bunch of those in here. Yep, those are all the same. Those are very pretty. Yep, set of 4 pieces holly red Christmas. Okay, what are these? This is curtain, 2 panels. It's nice when they include 2 panels. You'd be shocked how many times they sell 1 panel. Who uses 1 panel on their windows? So this is a 2-panel one. I'm going to have to scan it probably to find out the length of it. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'll tell you the length of this green curtain panel because we'll probably scan it. This one is a grommet window treatment curtain panels. This is 2 panels drape set. I don't know what length it is. Oh, this one, length 63 inches long. And they're usually approximately 52 wide. Most of the time it's 52 by whatever length that is. All right, here's another one. This one is also the 63-inch length, so you actually have 4 panels like that. Then we've got, these are vacuum bags, type CC 16 bags. Bags fit the Auric, and these are type CC, 16 bags of those. So if you use that vacuum, there you go. Got a good deal. Oh, these microfiber cloths are really handy. This is a pack of 4 different colors. What is this? Solid aluminum home improvement hardware. Huh. I'm just going to open it.
You want to scan it?
I could. Does it have? Yeah, it does have a barcode on it. We're going to scan it and see if we can just find the picture of it, because it'll probably be a lot better than even if pulling it out and guessing what it is. Okay, this is over the door hook hanger. Here, let me show you. Looks like that.
It's nice.
It is nice. It's got a lot of hooks on it. 5 hooks on it.
What's it going for on there?
It's selling for $15 on Amazon, so we'll probably sell ours for 10. All right, then we have, oh, this is cool. Handheld sewing machine.
Look at that.
That is neat.
I've never heard of that before.
I've seen these before, but not for a long time. All right, then we've got, ooh, this looks like a rug. I want to open this up and show you. This is a rug. It's got grippies on the back. How pretty is that?
Oh.
See, it's got the little grippies on the back. This would look cute like in an entryway or a hallway or in your bathroom or at the foot of your bed or something.
Like the girls' room.
Yeah, it would look good in the girls' room. We've got, what is this? This is a black tablecloth, rectangular. Let me scan it to see the length because it looks like a big one. It's a plain rectangular tablecloth. It looks like it's 70 by 120. That's actually a really nice length. Like, I have a table that the 108 length tablecloths don't fit on. They're too short. So I actually always have to go out and buy on Amazon the really long one. So the 120, 70 inches by 120 inches is nice. What is this? Because your pet's hair looks better in the trash can than on your couch. It's a shedding tool, de-shedding tool.
Right.
For removal of undercoat and loose hair.
I'm glad it's that. I was getting concerned there.
Yeah, it's a shedding tool. So it's got a little scraper, like a little blade here, and you just, yeah. All right. Here is a Thomas the Train twin sheet set. Includes 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 1 standard pillowcase. Remember when James used to watch Thomas the Train? This was the one cartoon I could tolerate. Yep, Thomas the Train was always one that I'm like, oh, it's not obnoxious, it doesn't have annoying voices in it, all that kind of stuff. Oh, do you remember that one cartoon we forbid him to watch?
Yep.
There was this kid that used to be super whiny in this other cartoon. Hated it. We forbid him to watch it because he became whiny when he watched it. All right, this is Yule Christmas. Just a little, it almost looks like a, what is that? The wind direction. What am I trying to say?
Weatherman?
A weatherman. It looks like a weatherman, but it also looks like a windmill on top with little baby angels and then the 4. There, that's a better.
Cool.
That's a pretty neat kind of centerpiece to put on your table. Then we have a tutu skirt, a pink tutu skirt. I kind of want to open this up.
What's the size?
This is, it doesn't say the size. Let me scan it and see if it maybe gives me that info. Yeah, okay, so this is a 5-pack of tutu skirts for girls' ballet dance costumes. Looks like this, and it comes with bows. Ages 2 to 8. Looks like they're probably elastic waistbands, but they're like toddler size almost, up to 8 years old.
Cool.
Yeah, those are cute. All right, then we have, ooh, this is cool. Kind of wrong time of the year, but neat nonetheless. What's it say?
That is neat. Autumn, falling leaves, pumpkin pie, happy fall, hot apple cider, family and friends.
Yeah. I could consume all of that right now.
Yeah.
I like it. Not my family and friends. That would be weird. I'm not going to eat my family and friends. That's super weird. Okay, this looks like some sort of artwork. Ride with the unicorns and swim with the mermaids.
Can you scan it maybe?
Yeah, it's a gold foil printed art poster. I want to ride with the unicorns and swim with the mermaids. Oh, it says that.
There it is.
So, that's a fun one. All right, so that was the last thing in the box. We're going to go ahead and price everything, and so stay tuned. We'll be back in a matter of seconds. Okay, we've got everything organized on the table with prices, so let's check out what was in this box. So these are actually ridiculously expensive. I think they're selling for around $50 on Amazon, and then if you go to eBay, they're selling way for that high, pretty close to high price too. So these we're going to sell, we're probably going to send them to eBay unless you guys want them for 20 bucks a piece. We think we can make on those for the 4-pack of reversible placemats. Then we have, these are actually stockings. So we're going to sell both of the stockings for $5 for the 2-pack. Then this cool, awesome flower rug, $20 for that. Then we have the body glow-in-the-dark paint, $15 for the whole set of 12 bottles. Then we have these bags of Auric vacuums. We're going to be able to send to Amazon, $15 after fees for the 16-pack of Auric vacuums. Then the 3-pack of sewing items, $10 for that. Then the mini sewing machine, the handheld sewing machine, $10 for that. Then the queen bed sheets that are 1,800 thread count microfiber ones, $10 for that. Comes with 2 pillowcases, a flat and a fitted sheet. Then we have $10 for the 55 by 84 2 panels of kind of an olive green sheer curtain there. Then we have the solid, this is the 5 hook door over the door rack, $10 for that. Then we have 2 sets of these 12 bags. They kind of look like Easter colors, birthday colors, whatever you want to use. $10 a piece for 12 of those. And then we have the rectangular tablecloth that is 70 by 120, $5 for that black rectangular cloth. Then we have this beautiful Yule Christmas candle holder, $10 for that. Then the dog groomer, where it basically just thins their hair out a little bit more, $5 for that. Then we have the 2 panels, $10 for the 55 by 63, and they are kind of a sheer panel, and there's 2 sets of them. So if you want all 4 panels, you can buy them, but they're $10 each. So if you want all 4, you have to do 20. Then we have the microfiber cloths for $5. The Thomas the Train set that comes with a bed sheet, a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and a pillowcase, $20 for that. Then we have the, this is the foil sign that we showed you that says, ride with unicorn, swim with mermaids, really cute, $5 for that piece of art. Then we have the shiplap kind of autumn wall hanger, $5 for that. And then the set of tutu skirts, 5 tutu skirts, size ages 2 to 8 years old for girls, comes with bows and the skirt, $10 for this pack of 5. So we're going to add all of that together and we come up with $330. Remember, we spent $99 on the box for a total profit of $231. So hopefully it's been fun. If you want any of these items, please contact me at hookedonpickin.com. Send me a message, say, hey, I'm interested in, name what it is, and then we can shoot you an invoice your direction. So hopefully you find something you like, and it's been fun to watch this unboxing of brand new 888 Lots home decor. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, hopefully you love this video and want to see more unboxings. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you do. And also, when you go to hookedonpickin.com, there are some fun things that are personally just from me. So this is an In the End, Jesus Wins sign. It's a nice coffee tabletop sign that I have a local artisan make only for my store. It's only available at hookedonpickin.com. So if it's something you're interested in, check it out. You can buy this on the store as well as many other things. And of course, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber.